Hi there, students. Scuff. To scuff as a verb. A scuff as a noun. Scuffed as an adjective as well. Okay, to scuff is when you drag your feet along the ground. It's sort of like shuffle. To shuffle. When you shuffle, you drag your feet along the ground. You don't lift them up at all. Whereas to scuff is more... You hit the ground as your foot goes forward. To shuffle is to move forward like this. The old man shuffled, but he scuffed the ground as he walked off angrily. Okay, so to scuff, yeah, to rub against something. So you could scuff your shoes. You could scuff the bottom, but you could also scuff a polished or smooth surface, especially the surface of your shoe. Maybe you kick a wall, or your foot scrapes against a wall, and you've scuffed the surface. Yeah, so it's no longer shiny. There's like a bit that's been filed off or rubbed off. If you scuff your feet along the ground, you're going to ruin your shoes. He scuffed the toes, the surface of his shoes, or he scuffed his shiny new leather jacket, and it was impossible to repair it. Okay, so to scuff, to scrape with the feet, or to scrape or roughen the surface of something. With use, the shiny plastic surface became scuffed. Yeah, it became worn and abraded. Yeah, so to scuff. To rub against, to walk without lifting your feet. I notice as well the Americans use this word to scuff, meaning to poke something with your toe. So he scuffed the dead bird lying on the ground, but that's an American use, and I wouldn't use that in British English. I guess as well to scuff or a scuff is the noise of actually scuffing, of rubbing one thing against another. Okay, so to spoil the surface of. He made some rough marks on the surface of the gymnasium. The floor became scuffed. Maybe with your shoes you could wear overshoes to protect the floor from scuffing. Or maybe you should use soft-sole shoes to stop the floor getting scuffed. And then if you have scuff marks in the surface of your shoes, it can be very difficult to get them out, to get rid of them. Yeah, so the shoes were scuffed and run down at the heel. I guess you could scuff your car just very gently against something, and the paintwork is scuffed. It's roughened up. It's no longer smooth and shiny. Okay, so that's the idea of to scuff, an abrasive mark, or to rub something against, to abrade it. I guess as well you can use this verb to scuff, meaning when you mishit a ball. So he tried to kick the ball, but he scuffed it. He only kicked the edge of it. Or in a golf shot, he scuffed the shot, means he didn't get a good contact on the ball and he didn't hit it properly. The tide had gone out of the beach and there were scuff marks of somebody who had been walking in the sand. Come on, pick your feet up. Don't scuff your feet. It's going to just ruin your shoes. Notice as well, to scuff, a regular verb. He scuffed his shoes. He wore scuffed shoes. He has scuffed these shoes so badly that we're going to have to throw them away. What about formality? To scuff. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. You can use it absolutely anywhere, informally and formally, but it's possibly not a common word choice. So for an exam, it would be a really good word to choose. And then as to origin, maybe it comes from Scots, from Scottish, to scuff, to touch lightly, to graze, or to hit. And maybe that comes from Old Norse, scoofer, to shove or to push aside. Yeah, so that's one of my problems. I'm always scuffing things, brushing against things lightly, scuffing against surfaces. So I can never keep myself clean, and I can never keep things in good condition. So there you go. To scuff, scuffed. Yeah. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Scuff.